What would you do if you felt lost? What would you do if freedom is all what you want? What would you do if you just could walk away? Do you sometimes imagine a life in which you wouldn't be afraid? If failure is just a part of your journey, just an experience to grow. What's holding you back from going your own way? Is it because of too high expectations that you feel resting on you? What if you just forget what others think about you? Even if it's only for a passing moment. Because what would you say when your end is near? And you realize then that you haven't lived your life the way you had imagined it. Start doing what makes you feel alive, not what others expect from you. And start doing it today, now. So ask yourself, what would I do if I weren't afraid? If failure is not an option, and then go and live. What would you do if you felt lost? What would you do if freedom is all what you want? What would you